How to make money on Snapchat. Snapchat is one of the fastest growing social media platforms, and if you haven't looked at it as a way of making money, then you should, and hopefully this video will help convince you. So what is Snapchat? It allows its users to share, they are called snaps, a story, photo and videos with their followers. One unique aspect of this social media channel is that its messages disappear after the intended audience, the person, sees it. 78% of its users are between 18 and 24, and 61% of Snapchat users are female. As you can see, if your niche market is to be within this range, then Snapchat is for you. With Snapchat, you can post selfies, emojis, masks and filters. You can also use the app to do video calls. Snapchat has a Discover section where different social media outlets such as MTV and Vox and BuzzFeed publish their content from their websites. According to a study conducted in 2016, Snapchat has more daily video views than Facebook and more active daily users than Twitter. So if you've never used Snapchat, obviously the first thing you need to do is build your audience. So here are a few tips to help you build that audience. Use other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to invite and add your friends and personal contacts to your Snapchat account. Take advantage of your contacts on social media and promote exclusive content you will offer them if they follow you on Snapchat. Promote other people on Snapchat and chances are they will follow you back for that. Post your story daily for at least a dozen times, but be careful not to overdo it. Remember, your posts disappear once someone has seen it, so although it's good to keep pushing the post, if it's overdone, then you might lose that follower. You could activate a coupon that offers discount, promo codes or cashback. Convince other users to follow you. For example, you could get them from your friends, social influencers, local celebrities, entertainers, and any other accounts that you like. Network on social media message boards where you and other members can exchange info, follow one another and help your respective stats to grow. Display your Snap code to let people on your friends list in other social media sites follow you on Snapchat. Alternatively, post your Snap code publicly to let people follow you. Get Snapchat shoutouts from other users with many followers. In some instances, you can talk and appeal to influential users and ask them to share your username or give you a verbal shoutout in one or a few of their snaps. This will encourage their followers to check out your account. Alternatively, you could pay for shoutouts from private companies and high-profile individuals. Building an audience on Snapchat takes a lot of time and hard work. If you stay determined and creative, you can build a niche audience to then promote products, services and your own brand. Don't forget to attach your website, especially if you have a product to sell within your Snapchat account. Now to the important bit, how do you make money from Snapchat? Create and promote great content products. If you create quality and engaging Snapchat content, you will manage to capture the interest and hook the attention of your followers. You can use the different tools available to customize your content and make it an eye-catching and attention-grabbing snap. For example, you could use captions, emojis, stickers, doodles and more. Also, you can use Snapchat platform to promote content products such as ebooks, video courses and audio programs and sell them to your followers. Just remember who you are targeting though. If you create great information and content, then design and promote it well, you will increase your customers and therefore sales. Create Snap ads and add to call to action. One way to make money from Snapchat is through creation of call to action buttons. Create a button that convinces people that you have what they want or you can solve any problems they might have. Over 500,000 users check through Snap ads during the day. You can create and deliver your message to your target audience using this method. Snapchat has an ads manager to help you with this, and the app supports different app formats. You can also make money through premium Snapchat subscriptions. This is an account that allows people to share videos and photos with target audiences, and people have to pay for that content. Design and launch geo-filters to promote a place or an event related to your business. You can create and launch free geo-filters for the public venues that is related to your niche. For example, toys or games maybe, or events. Snapchat users often share filters, even the ones that are branded. So you can create a geo-filter where you want to hold an event in that specific place, or if you have an opening of a new store. Geofilters are either personal or business. When creating a business geofilter, then you must include trademark and logos. It's not possible to use phone numbers and contact or URLs when sharing a geofilter though. When you want to create a geofilter, you take a photo or a short video and then swipe to view all the filters that you can access and pick the appropriate one. Always customize your geofilter using a Snapchat template in Illustrator format or Adobe Photoshop and then test it by using different images. Then download your geofilter and set the right time and date, select the location and pay for the filter and confirm your order. Promote affiliate products. You know by now that on here at Business with Joe, we love affiliate marketing, and Snapchat is a great platform to do it from. You can use our favourite ClickBank or of course Amazon Associate to promote products of your choice to earn commissions on them. The best and effective way of promoting affiliate products on Snapchat is by writing reviews. So it's worth having a good knowledge of the thing you are selling, as people will see through if you don't know what you are talking about. If you've personally used a product and liked it, you can let your followers know about it. Share extensive product reviews showing the benefits of using these products on your blog. Be honest though and upfront that you have an affiliate link, but also give good and bad points of the product. People will appreciate that. You could also include a video of you using the product if it fits in with what you are selling. You can make money with affiliate marketing by recommending any products to your followers and getting a percentage or commission from clicks or sales. Promote products using sponsored posts and visual images. Snapchat gives its users a chance to create a business page where you can share more information of what you do. You can use this platform to find prospects and to increase your customer base. Avoid over-promoting your products because your followers may not find it suitable. Try to mix things up and create posts that can add value to your followers. When developing your products and services, make sure they fit into your demographics and niche. Don't sell, but rather give benefits on how your products will help them and let your audience know how they will be benefited. If you make handmade items, then you can use Snapchat to showcase your products and then direct them to your Etsy or Shopify channels to buy those products. Promote your services. You can use Snapchat to promote your coaching or consultant business if you are a fitness trainer or a life coach maybe. Once again, don't forget your demographics and age range of those viewers on Snapchat. Offering pension advice and mortgages may not get you the same results than if you were promoting fitness or lifestyle tips. You could do one-to-one coaching or group Skype chats. You could also use the opportunity to sell ebooks and video courses that you have on a specific subject. Sponsored lenses and posts are a unique way of promoting on Snapchat. You can offer your branded lenses whose creation is a prerogative of Snapchat. Snapchat can create a design with your logo or product when you explain your business goals. The audience can see and share lenses with others. Friends can recommend a sponsored lens to others as well. Sponsored stories are also ideal for promotions. Snapchat displays sponsored stories in a special section where users see them by default when they are looking through stories of their friends. When using sponsored stories, you should make the story catchy to hook the attention of the audience. Some quick tips now for making money on Snapchat. Be persistent and consistent. Building a following on Snapchat may take time and effort. Don't be disheartened. Make your username something unique and simple to pronounce. Choose your name, picture and story that is something related to your own personal brand. Take care of your followers. Don't recommend anything that you're not sure about. Once again, if you'd like us to go into more detail about how to make money on Snapchat, then leave comments below. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.